Yo, what up guys, today I'm going to play Phantom Forces. I never made this in a long time, so hopefully you don't get happy. So I'm playing with the KSG-12, I believe. Yeah, so as you can see, like nothing's really happening at the moment. I just, found someone. Oh, doesn't know, he doesn't know. Let me go play it, run on his ass. Go. Jump. Man, oh man. Alright, now I'm playing with the KSG, okay. So, I'm gonna take this shortcut. Just to hide it a little bit, and then come here. Boom. Oh, he dies. Man. I'm scared. You probably see my gun. Oh, banana. Go back. How does everybody kill me orangutan? I swear. These guys are hacking. They like keep killing us when they're not scoping. What the fuck is this? I got this. Boys. What a win, boys. Oh. It's called the jump scope shot. Oh! That's what you call awesome. What's good? Glorious. Who the fuck is this? Who do you think you are? Ching-chong, motherfucker. Oh, come on! This guy has 3 health. Okay, never mind. He died. Yeah. I guess they took kill. Fuck. Number 1, I could do that. I don't know if they're gonna see it. Probably. Oh! I hit somebody. Come on. Who the fuck wants to play? Okay, you wanna play with me, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Who's here with me? What the fuck? Who the heck is here? Okay, got it. Good. I wish I can recall, but it's not because it's not League of Legends. What the freak am I doing? So I guess I'll show hold you. Oh, come on, please. Come on. And take a couple more. Please, let's go. Alright, it's game right here. Oh, go. We gotta keep holding it. Yeah, baby.